Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best car diagnostic scanners for 2024. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. FOXWELL NT650 Elite OBD2 Automotive Scanner, a professional-grade OBD2 scanner with 26 reset functions, including SAS, A/F, OIL, EPB, BRT, and TPS resets. Ideal for both DIYers and mechanics, it supports comprehensive diagnostics across multiple systems, making it easy to resolve car issues and perform routine maintenance. The advantages of this car scanner are 26 system reset functions, user-friendly interface with a large screen, supports a wide range of vehicle brands. The disadvantages of this car scanner are higher price compared to entry-level models. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. MUCAR DriverScan OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth. This OBD2 scanner offers bidirectional scan capabilities and OE-level system diagnostics. With Bluetooth connectivity, the device provides active testing, real-time data, and 15 service functions. Designed for professionals and advanced DIYers, it delivers comprehensive diagnostics and active tests. The advantages of this car scanner are Bluetooth for wireless operation, bidirectional scan with active test capabilities, covers all major systems and service functions. The disadvantages of this car scanner are requires a smartphone or tablet. At number 3. Autel MaxiCOM MK808S OBD2 Scanner, a powerful OBD2 diagnostic tool. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808S supports active tests, key coding, and comprehensive system diagnostics. Ideal for automotive technicians, it can read and clear codes, perform ECU coding, and provides real-time data analysis. The advantages of this car diagnostic scanner are active test and key coding capabilities, wide vehicle compatibility, easy to navigate interface. The disadvantages of this car diagnostic scanner are may require updates for newer vehicles, slightly bulky compared to other models. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. OTOFIX D1 LITE OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth. The OTOFIX D1 LITE is a wireless, Bluetooth-enabled OBD2 diagnostic scanner with bidirectional control and active test functions. It provides professional-grade diagnostics for multiple car systems, making it ideal for garages or advanced DIY users. The advantages of this car diagnostic scanner are wireless Bluetooth operation, supports bidirectional control, intuitive interface with extensive vehicle coverage. The disadvantages of this car diagnostic scanner are may not support key coding, requires a companion app for operation. At number 1. THINKCAR THINKDIAG Mini OBD2 Scanner, compact and efficient. The THINKDIAG Mini offers full OBD2 functionality and system diagnostics in a portable form factor. Perfect for personal use or small workshops, this tool provides in-depth diagnostic reports and supports various car models. The advantages of this car diagnostic scanner are compact and portable design, full OBD2 function and system diagnostics, affordable for personal and small workshop use. The disadvantages of this car diagnostic scanner are limited advanced features compared to higher-end models, requires smartphone integration for full functionality.